Ben here, back with another video for you. Today I'm going to cut my first log since I modified my sawmill. Now, in case you guys haven't been watching all my videos, I want to just kind of give you a quick review. What I did was I went and added these pieces of angle iron onto the saw. Now the old pieces were only 6 foot long. Together there was two pieces, 6.5 and 6.5, roughly 12 foot long. And I changed it out with one solid piece. It's 20 foot long, so there's no seam in the middle. Everything is straight and true, so there's those two pieces. I poured concrete, put pillars down, and I've got 6 of them on each side, so 12 concrete pillars. I'll kind of go through here and show you. I anchored the pieces of angle onto that, so that way you can see it's a lot more solid and it's more level, straight and true, hard to get out of whack. Here's my sawmill. I got everything ready to go. I already got the water dripping on there already. You can see that. Kind of down low right now. I'll turn it up once I get a log on there. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take my first log there. I believe it's a nice ash log there. Take that ash log, bring it over, set it on the sawmill. I'm going to cut it all 4 sides into a cant, and I'm going to measure it and see how square the cant is. That'll tell me if I need some more improvement here, or if I did a good job here and everything's square and true. So stick with me and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, got our first log on the sawmill here now. A couple things that I didn't think about, gonna need improvement here. The posts, when I put them in there, like this one is here, I'll show you a little better. They come down through and there's nothing underneath them. They hit the ground, and when they hit the ground, it's I can't go down far enough that the saw won't hit the top of these. So a little future improvement I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to dig down underneath these, make some room for the post to go down at least about a foot or so. So that's one thing I gotta improve upon. Learn as you go, and make some improvements here as I go. The other thing I'll do is paint these rails before they rust. They're already starting to get a little bit of rust to them, but I want to paint them before it gets carried away. But just figure I'd show you the mistakes I make along my way, so if somebody's out there gonna do a similar project, they don't make the same mistakes I make. Okay, and there we go. There's our first log on the mill. Gonna cut this one, and hopefully if everything works out right, I'll show you in that time lapse, so you don't have to stand here and watch me go back and forth all day. Alright, here we go. I got her cut down into a cant, and it's roughly 9.5 inches square. Now I'm not sure what's going on here, to be honest with you. If I start down here on this end, see if you can see that, I got 9.5 right there. Come up here a little bit, I got almost 9 1/4, 5/16 or so. Come up here, I gotta start at 5/16, maybe 3/8. Back to that 5/16 again. Now back to that 1/2 inch. I'm at the 1/2 inch mark again. I'm at the 1/2 inch mark again. Now this way. Right there, I don't know how well you can see that. It's kind of hard for me to see it. I got about 8 3/8 there. Got about 8 5/16 there, so that's about a 16th difference there. Now there I got about 8 1/8. And there I got about 8 1/8. So now what in the hell is going on here? I'm not sure what to think here. This piece of wood I'm trying to cut is a piece of ash, and I'll tell you what, it is hard. Like, I mean, it is hard. The first piece of ash I ever cut in the saw, I cut almost as soon as the tree was dropped. Cut the tree down, brought the log over, and I cut it up. And I didn't have much of a problem with it. It cut without an issue. Now this guy here, I don't know when he was really cut down. Had to be at least a month ago. Probably a little more than that, maybe 2 months ago. And I'll tell you what, saw is having a hard time cutting through this. It is just hard. I'm pushing on it, and it probably shouldn't be pushing as hard as I am on it. Now, the blade, I'm not sure what I hit with this. It looks like I'm missing a tooth there. I just noticed that. I was looking at some of these teeth, and some of these teeth are still sharp. You know, it's like the blade's really not that bad of shape, but then I just noticed this one here. I got a busted tooth on that one. So maybe it's just the blade. Looks like the tip on that one might be busted too. I don't know why you can see that. This blade's really not that old, and I really don't remember hitting anything with it. So, I know I cut 1 or 2 logs with it. Maybe I did hit something, a rock or something that I didn't even notice. Because that tooth there's busted. And it looks like the tip of that one's busted. So maybe it's just my saw blade. I'm going to chalk this one up to the saw blade. I should have checked it before I started. I didn't really look at it. I should have. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. At least I got it down to a rough size cant. What I'll do is, I got some other things I got to do today. My work is keeping me kind of busy, so I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to get out this next week. So the next few days, just kind of hang in there. But you can see there's a bow in the end of that down there, where the saw blade kind of sunk in and came back out again. What I'm going to do is I'll put a new saw blade on the saw, and I'll just trim this. I'll trim each side, flip it, trim it, flip it, trim it, flip it, trim it, and we'll come back and I'll do another video, and we'll see how it looks when I do that. That'll be my plan. But like I said, it's probably not going to be for about a week. I'm sorry to make you guys wait that long, but like I said, I got some other things I got coming up that I'm just going to be busy. Not going to have much time to tinker with the sawmill. So, that's my plan for now. Hope you guys stick with me, and I'll see you next time.